can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna be covering the best sneakers that are gonna be releasing for November 2020. I haven't done a sneaker releases video in mad long, so if you guys would like more sneaker content, maybe some hotter cops for some of these more hyped releases, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I will go ahead and get that done for you. Also, let me know by slapping the like. If I get over 120 likes, I'll definitely go ahead and make more of these types of videos. Make sure you let me know in the comments what else you would like to see on the channel. Subscribe down below, because once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I am going to be giving away a Supreme box logo tee, and you definitely don't want to miss out on that. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Okay, so honestly, I was gonna start on November 7th, but I don't know when this video is gonna go up, so I might cover this, I might not. Low-key, by the time I post this video, the Yeezy 700 V3 Safflowers are already out, and I actually feel like these Safflower V3s are pretty clean. This almost reminds me of like a sunflower. We do have the Air Max 90s in the infrared color restocking again. They typically restock these like every year or two, something like that. This is one of the OG colorways, and you can never go wrong with this pair of sneakers right here. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of Air Maxes, but I definitely do have some favorites. I love 98s. The silver bullets are my favorite. I love the 96s as well. These are fire, and I love the Air Max 1s in that royal color. I am a fan of some of them, but this pair right here isn't one that I could put any memories behind or anything like that. I feel like if you had these in the past and you kind of want to go ahead and buy them again, I definitely feel that. I know that it's going to retail for $140, but as far as Air Maxes go, I don't know if this will do too well in the resale market. Still a fire sneaker nonetheless. On November 10th, we're gonna see the Veneer Dunk Lows. These kind of give me like skunk dunk vibes. If you guys know what those are the 420 dunks, and these almost give me like that same vibe, like the beef and broccoli. It's low-key my favorite dunk releasing this month. They look fire, bro. You know you can't go wrong with dunks. They retail at $100. Resale goes from like $280 to $400 plus. These are definitely a sneaker that you want to go for if you're trying to make money. I know I'm gonna try to go for them, but at this point I went for every single dunk, from off-whites to Sambas to Kentuckys to Syracuse to every dunk you could think of. I tried to go for on sneakers and raffles, and it was just a complete L. But I'm gonna go ahead and try for these again, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna try again, and hopefully we do get them. But these are gonna release for $100 on November 10th. These Dunk Low Veneers are definitely a must cop. It's a color that you don't normally see. I don't know if this is true, but there's 3 more sneakers releasing that day. The Yeezy 350 V2 Fade. I'm tired of Yeezys, bro. It's like a brownish color with a blue stripe. These don't look that bad, but honestly, I'm just trying to see something new. They don't look that bad, and I feel like these will probably go for like $300 in resale. Nothing too great, but these aren't terrible. You know what I mean? I just wish they had more color. Maybe a pair of laces with some different colors, and I don't know, something different. We also do have the Dunk Low Elephants. I don't know how true this is, but I saw it on Sneaker News, and it actually might be a thing that these are releasing on the 11th. This is a pair of dunks that you definitely do not want to miss on. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my hands on these, but I know how this works. I feel like these are gonna resell upwards of $300 to $400. These are gonna go crazy. These past 3 to 4 sneakers are all releasing on November 11th, and this last one is the Nike Air Force One 1-800. These are actually a banger, probably one of my favorites releasing. They got the sale outsole. It has like this 1-800 call today, 1-800 Air Force on it. This is a banger sneaker. I could see this one going for $300 resale. Maybe I'm being optimistic, but white Air Force Ones always do good, and this one has the perfect touches to it. The little gray swoosh with the 1-800 on the back, the lace badge on the front, just a bunch of little features that I do love on this sneaker. It has this faint print going around the ankle as well, which you cannot go wrong with. I'm gonna try for these once again, but I know how this goes. It might just be another L, who knows. Next we got the What The Jordan 5s. This is like a mutt of all the popular Jordan 5s. I could see the green beans on here, the Sunset 5s, the Shanghais, the Raging Bulls, the Tokyos, the Bel Airs, the Metallics. There's a bunch of Jordan 5s in these right here, and I could see why somebody would want these, but realistically, how could you even wear these? I feel like this is a pair of sneakers that you probably want to buy if you're trying to get it for the personal. I don't know exactly how well these would do in the resale market, especially at first. Maybe through time they'll go up or whatever, but at first these aren't gonna do too great. It's kind of gonna do like Bel Air 5s, Fire Red 5s. There's a bunch of 5s that have released that don't really do too well. I don't know exactly how these would do. I would much rather have any of the 5s that they put into these, but just that one sneaker type shit. On November 13th, we're gonna see these Sakai Vapor Waffles in 2 different colorways. We got the Sail with that bluish color, the black and the fuchsia. I don't know how I feel about those. I would honestly rather rock the black colorway. I feel like those just look way cleaner. But if you look at the back of this shit, bro, it's literally a sneaker on another sneaker. Like, I know that they do the whole double sole thing. That's cool. That should look extendo. Like, the size of the sole is 2 sizes bigger than the sneaker. Shit is bad, bro. It's going out sad. I don't know exactly if I would go for these. That shit almost looked like a skate ramp on the back of these bitches. And low-key, you could grind around the side of this shit with a tech deck. I'm good, bro. I feel like these are clean and I want to see them on feet before I decide to spend $180 on them. These are gonna drop on the 13th, like I said before. I would personally go for them in the black colorway, but honestly, one of my favorite releases for this month definitely has to be this Japan Navy Jordan 1. These are a banger. I was low-key debating on buying these early to do a review for you guys. Since I'm not really making sneaker videos on the channel, I don't know exactly if that would pop off or if it would even be worth it to do it just yet. I feel like I'm trying to creep my way into the sneaker shit, and then I'll probably start doing early reviews, buying sneakers early and stuff like that. But these are a banger. The navy with that silver swoosh is just beautiful. You got the jewel wings logo on the side of it as well. This looks like it's a sneaker that I would definitely wear. I am an advocate of wearing navy. People normally go straight for the black and no navy. I'm a fan of navy actually, and I feel like I would wear these. I don't really have any navy sneakers in the collection. This is for sure a banger, retailing at $170 on November 14th. We got like 6 more sneakers to talk about, but I want to say, bro, if y'all enjoying this, go ahead and slap a like on this video. If we get to 120 likes, I'll do one of these monthly, and I'll even start doing some how to cops for some of these popular sneakers that are going to be releasing. Let me know in the comments if that is something you would like to see. Get this video over 120 likes, and hey, we'll get to it, bro. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna get the box logo giveaway running shortly. Once I reach the 20,000, I'll pick a winner. But next up, we got these ceramic dunk lows. These look fire too, bro. It's like a pumpkin color with like this light olive greenish color on the swoosh. This is a fire pair of dunks. These do look clean though nonetheless, and I feel like once again it's gonna be another dunk that I try to go for. Hopefully I hit on one of the 3 dunks releasing this month. This pair is releasing for $100, and I could see resale going $250 to $320. I definitely do like the Veneer ones better, but I think you could probably pull these off better, easier to wear. On the 25th, we should see the Paranoise 2.0 Air Forces. These are the ones that came out in black previously, and basically like the paint rubs off on the white. I think that's a cool idea, and I feel like it's clean, but I don't know exactly how these will hold up through time. Resale will most likely be there, and a lot of people will want these. Personally, I just don't know if I would wear these that much. They look clean, but I don't even know how I feel about these fat ass laces that they got. I'm good, bro. That look like some superstars back from the 80s Run DMC type shit with the laces. Like, I'm good on that. Retail for the Paranoise 2.0s is gonna be $200, which is steep for an Air Force One, but then again, you're getting a whole lot of material, a whole lot of design to it, so I kind of understand it. But on the 27th of November, we're gonna be seeing the Kobe 5 Protro Bruce Lee, and apparently we might be getting the alternate Bruce Lee as well. Both of these are fire, and honestly, I don't know how I feel about people reselling Kobe's. I know that since he passed away, people are selling his sneakers for a bunch of money, and that's kind of messed up. These sneakers should be pre-orders so that anybody who wants them should be able to get them, but unfortunately, they're still doing these limited runs, and resellers are getting their money, which I understand. I just don't know how I feel about it personally. Definitely the more iconic one would be the black with the yellow. It's also being said that we're gonna see the Kobe Reebok Questions release. I honestly don't have too much information on that sneaker, but it's the one that's white with the yellow mud guard, then it has the 3 on the back. This is a pair of sneakers that Kobe wore when he was a free agent in a way. That's when he got the Jordan 3s and the 8s. He got these Reebok Questions, and I believe he worked with a couple more brands as well, but those are rumored to be releasing. I don't know how true that is. We got 3 more sneakers to talk about, one of them being the Yeezy 380 Onyx. One of the reasons I wanted to bring this pair up is because it's gonna drop drop November 27th, and it's a black Yeezy. Normally 380s don't have any type of resell besides the alien colorway, but since these are a black Yeezy 380, I feel like these actually have a potential of doing good in the resale market. Black Yeezys always do good. People are always trying to wear them, bro. These shits are going for beans now, if I'm not mistaken, and these 380s have the potential to do good. These look clean, but the cheese holes, the transparent sole, I just don't know. I feel like retail for this is gonna be like $220 or $200. I don't really remember what retail is on these. We got two more bangers releasing, one of them being the Jordan 4 Fire Reds. This is a must. There's two sneakers that I need this month, one of them being the Jordan 1 Navies and the other one being the Fire Red Jordan 4. This is a pair of sneakers that I loved for a minute, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and lie and tell you that this is my favorite Jordan 4, but this is definitely one of my favorites. Before these, I would definitely pick the Breads, the White Cements, and the Military Blues. Literally, the Military Blues are probably my favorite, or right behind the Bread. Those are like first place for me, but these Fire Reds are a must in anyone's sneaker collection, especially if you like Jordan 4s. I'm gonna go for these hands down with that Nike Air on the back. I need these right here. Low-key, these are a banger, and I don't know how resale will do at first, but we all saw what happened with the Bread 4s. Those literally skyrocketed, and these might go ahead and do the same thing. Now, last up, we got the Jordan 1 High OG in the metallic gold colorway. This is another one that a lot of OG sneakerheads are amped about. I remember seeing these released in 2001 and 2007. There was a mid and a high version, and they low-key did one of these with both pairs, and that's what we got right here. These are clean, bro. I just don't know how I feel about patent leather Jordan 1s. I got the Fearless ones, and I barely wear them shits because they're literally so stiff, but you just can't go wrong with these. This is another pair of Jordan 1s that I definitely wouldn't mind having. Do I need them? I don't know, but then again, I kind of look back at the DMP 6s, the Cool Grey 4s, and I feel like I missed out, so I might be picking up one of those in the future, probably the 4s, but these Jordan 1s right here are definitely a banger. I feel like a lot of people are going to be going for these. Hey, I might be one of them too. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but if you did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. You already know what to do. 120 plus likes and I'll bring you guys more sneaker content on the channel. Subscribe if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Also, if you're trying to enter in that 20,000 subscriber box logo giveaway, start subscribing because I'm gonna go ahead and buy the piece and start the giveaway. Once I get to 20K, I'll choose a winner. I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, you already know what to do, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.